Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk through the steps on how you can change Payoneer's phone number or email address. In order to make changes with your contact info on Payoneer, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, you have to go ahead and log in into your Payoneer's account and then enter the two-factor authentication code when you're prompted, and if you have that security measure step as well. Then you have to go ahead and tap the settings icon on the menu bar and click on the profile settings. After that, you need to click the edit button on the name and on the email section as well. Now delete your current email address, enter a new email address and click the save button. All the Payoneer's communication will henceforth be cancelled to a new email address. Then you need to click the send email and Payoneer will send an email to a new address with the confirmation link. Now enter the 6-digit verification code sent to the registered phone number and click the submit button. This is a two-step verification to confirm your identity as well. Now open your email and click on the confirm update button. Once you do, your Payoneer account will be updated with a new email address. And if you're unable to find the email, then you can check your spam folders. And if you still find it, then click on the reset email button to get a new code. And you'll get a notification on a Payoneer's page letting you know that the email has been successfully sent. To confirm, just follow the procedure. So that's basically how you can make changes with your contact info on Payoneer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.